Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add batteries widget to your iPhone's lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once your device is unlocked, you can just swipe down from the top of the screen and then just hold down your finger somewhere here to bring up that mode. After that you can select wallpaper, and once you did that, just hit add customize and then select lock screen. Now you are able to edit your widgets bar just by tapping on that, and right here first you can remove some widgets if you want, and then just scroll down and select batteries. Then you can add that battery widgets to the lock screen just by tapping on them, just like that. Then you can hit somewhere here and then hit add done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.